What's up, everyone? So today's Monday, today's YouTube live day. So if you guys don't know, I do a free video watch list every single Monday for the viewers on YouTube. And after that, at 11 a.m. market time, I do a video recap of my trades. So before I start, I want to kind of mention a pretty big announcement that we're doing. I'm going to mention it now, and I'm also going to mention it later. So last week, we held our second annual bootcamp event. This is a live trading event where both Bao and I were trading live. We were showing you the process live, and then we had presentations from our moderators. We had hundreds and hundreds of attendees that came, members, non-members, people from around the world. And I personally can't believe how much value we gave out for just the $97 ticket fee. We provide you guys with the full process, all day faders, longs, shorts, patience, FOMO, pre-market trading, live trading. We basically gave you all the secret sauce in a 2-day event. And I'm very proud of the team. I'm very proud of Joe. I'm very proud of all the moderators. I'm very proud of Fernando. I'm very proud of everyone that kind of put this together, right? Because what you guys don't see is the 6 months of work that went in before this. What you guys don't see is our website went down right when we right when we started the event. You know, what you guys don't see is all the hard work behind the scenes. And I'm very proud of the team. I'm very proud of what we've built. You know, we've come a long way in 2 years, and I just want to say thank you to everyone for, trusting us. Thank you for everyone that attended. So we wanted to do kind of something really special and really unique. So the special announcement is this, guys. If you are a non-MIC member, as a way to give back to the community, as a way to say thank you, and as a way to celebrate MIC's second birthday, our special promotion is that if you are a non-member of MIC, you can now join the club for a discounted rate of $97 your first month. So normally our pricing is $197 a month. With this new promotion, it is going to be $97 for your first month only. So what we're doing is we're giving this away to the first 25 people that text Tosh. The number's 97. So if you text Tosh 97, you will be you will get access to have MIC your first month be $97, which is significantly cheaper than anyone else out there. So this is your chance, guys, to join MIC. This is your chance to see what we're all about. This is our way of giving back. So Tosh's number is 213-458-5997. If for whatever reason you cannot text him, email him at tosh@myinvestingclub.com. This is going to be for the first 25 people only, guys. First 25 people. So text him and he will work with you. And this is something that took a lot of convincing to make sure that Bao approved it, to make sure that our team approved it. This is something that has never been done before. We are actually losing on this deal. We are actually losing money. But the point is, we want you guys to see what MIC is like. We want to open up our doors for you. And we are only doing this for the first 25 people. So this is your chance to see what MIC is like, guys. You're getting basically half off our membership. This has never, ever been done before and probably will not be done again. So this is a special way of saying thank you. This is our way of giving back to the community on our 2-year birthday. And I really hope that you guys take advantage of this. And if you guys don't take advantage of this deal, I'm telling you, trading's not for you. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. If this is too much for you, if you do not take advantage of this opportunity, give up trading. It's not for you. Where else? I shouldn't even be talking about it. I shouldn't even mention it. You guys should know the value here, guys. You guys should know the value here. You're going to get mentorship phone calls, videos, commentary, lessons, everything for $97 your first month. Okay. So please text Tosh at 213-458-5997. Take advantage of this deal before someone else takes your spot. So now that that's out of the way, let's talk about trading today. So today I had a pretty good day, made about $5,500, which is good, keeps me on track to make over $1 million a year, which is good. Remember, $4,000 a day is $1 million a year. So the reason why I think today's video recap is very important is because I want to talk to you guys about broken stocks versus hot stocks of the day. So let's go back to what we do the day before, right? So what I always look for on my Monday watch list is what stocks were moving on Friday. I was kind of feeling under the weather on Friday, so I didn't really trade, but I still tuned in. I still looked at what stocks were moving. I looked at the watch list and I compared what was happening. So on Friday, we have PIXY and GIVO that were low-hanging fruits. I think my morning watch list on PIXY was a 470, was a 450 and 470 lines for a short, and GIVO was the 140 and 150 line. If you look at both of those low-hanging fruits, you can see that they both hit the lines and failed in the morning. So automatically, right off the watch list, you have two easy setups, two low-hanging fruit setups that you can make money on. Now, fast forward to the day one plays, right? We had SONN, CGIX, and what was this A stock? AD, AMNP? Someone's gonna mention. I'll relay it. But we had three stocks moving today, right? So if you look ADMA, SONN, and CGIX. So if you looked at SONN and ADMA, you could see that pre-market the stocks were broken. Pre-market the charts were broken. ADMA was an easy to borrow stock. So something that we have to keep in mind about this market, guys, is lately, for I would say approximately the past 2 or 3 weeks, these stocks that are easy to borrow and broken pre-market, they tend to squeeze back up on air. So whatever algo, whatever manipulator, whatever system is out there is looking for these broken stocks that are easy to borrow and squeezing them. So it's kind of always a little bit sketchy. So on a stock like that, all we got to do is just wait for the bounce and short our lines. I posted my charts in the room. I scalped it a bunch of times. But on something like that, again, it is a broken stock that is under VWAP that we are looking to short a bounce on. SONN is a broken stock pre-market that is under VWAP that we are looking to short bounces on. So two stocks out of the three stocks moving today were broken and under VWAP. So those two stocks were the ones that I was watching and the ones that I was trading and the ones that I was shorting with a little bit more size. Let's talk about CGIX. If you look at CGIX, it was above VWAP. It was holding trend. At the open, they reclaimed VWAP, sent it up to $10. It double topped, and then it started to find its way lower. So for me, why should I even be messing size on CGIX? Yes, I traded it once it was under volume, but if my max size on that setup is 5,000 shares, I am not using more than 500 shares because I'm so scared of it. Plus, if I am trading CGIX, it is using my mental bandwidth on a stock that is not ideal when I could be using that same bandwidth on two stocks that are broken. So the point that I'm trying to make here, guys, today is that there's going to be so many stocks moving every single day. There's going to be a lot of noise and a lot of things happening. It is your job to figure out which stocks are weak and which stocks fit your criteria. At MIC, we give you commentary. We tell you which stocks are weak. We tell you which stocks to avoid. I got a DM today from someone and that said, hey man, like I see you guys are mostly short bias. I'm a little bit long bias. Like I don't really know what to do. And I basically told him a couple things. I said, one, if we keep telling everyone that CGIX is not a short, that should be a trigger in your brain that says, okay, if it's not a short, it's probably a freaking long. If we say that SONN is a short on bounces, you should say to yourself, oh shit, maybe I shouldn't long this broken stock. Because remember, guys, a short is nothing more than a sell, and a cover is nothing more than a buy. So if we are shorting somewhere, that means that that's where you should be selling. If we are covering somewhere, that's where you should be buying. If we are telling you to avoid the short, that's probably a stock that you should be going long as it's under VWAP. So today, guys, I walked away with a stress-free day. I had a very solid trading day. I posted my charts for everyone. And now, because I did well on Monday, it sets the tone for the entire week. Now I am confident in my trading. Previously, about 6 to 8 months ago, Mondays used to be my worst performing day. And if you go back through these videos, you can see that I was talking every single Monday, how am I going to improve my process? What am I going to do to get better on Mondays? And it turns out that now Mondays are one of my best performing days. I recognized I had a problem. My problem was that over the weekend, I was so excited to trade. Over the weekend, I was over anxious to trade. So my entries on Monday would be FOMO entries. I would get in too early. I would use too much size. I would screw up. Now, because I'm more self aware, because I saw that I had a problem and I tried to fix my problem, now I have improved my trading on Mondays. So the point I'm trying to make here, guys, is trading can be as stressful as you let it be. If I am trading, I am looking for the easiest setups of the day and focusing there rather than trying to nail the hot stock of the day, rather than trying to look for an adrenaline trade, rather than just trying to gamble. I am always looking to trade stocks that I have an edge on. And for me, if a stock is broken pre-market, that gives me an edge. If a stock continues to make new highs pre-market, that tells me to avoid the short side. Oftentimes, avoiding a trade, avoiding a stock is also just as good, if not better, than winning on a trade. Does that make sense, guys? So do you guys have any questions on what I just mentioned? We'll go through it right now if you guys have any questions. But as you can see, trading can be simple if you let it be, right? If you let it be simple, it can be simple. If you short the broken stocks, if you are focusing on the broken stocks, you have an edge. If you are fighting the trend, if you are trying to trade with your balls rather than your mind, you are at a disadvantage, guys. So does all this stuff make sense? This is your chance to ask questions. This is your chance to, be involved, right? This is your chance, guys. And again, for everyone just joining right now, I want to let you guys know about our promotion. So we are running a promotion to join MIC for $97 on your first month. It is available to the first 25 people only. And to get access, you text Tosh at 213-458-5997. All right, we have some questions coming in. Yes, Pixie was straight from my watch list, and Jivo was straight from my watch list. So both of those trades could have paid for your membership for a couple of months right there. Wonderful pro commentary on main trading thread today. Easy to distinguish longs from shorts just from that. Exactly, guys. Exactly. The people in MIC see what we're talking about. They see what we're working with. There's no pumping. There's no dumping. There's no secret accumulation. There's no anything like that. We're teaching you the exact process that Bao and I are using to make money every day. I don't want to jinx it, but I'm doing very well on the year so far. I'm very close to a milestone number. And once I get there, I'm going to recap that too. But it all goes back to the same thing. To make $1 million a year, you have to make $4,000 a day. Even making $400 a day, $400 a day is 100K on the year, guys. You guys can make $400 a day easily. Take 2,000 shares and make 10 cents, 20 cents. That's it. That's your day. Oftentimes, people lose money in the market because they sit there all day over trading. Our process tells us to walk away at 10:30. Our process makes me do these recap videos. My process, this is my game footage, guys. Every day after the close, what I do is I watch these videos back and I see what I could do to improve. Do you have any questions, guys? Please explain the process very bluntly in a few points. Go to youtube.com/myinvestingclub. In the search bar, write process, and you'll find 55 free videos on the process. It can't be explained in one sentence, one video, one thing. We talk about it every single day. Every single day, we have our routine, we have our process, we go through it, and all of our videos, all of our educational stuff covers this. Oftentimes, guys, you guys know this for the people that are watching. Oftentimes, the stock market is a transfer of wealth from the educated people, excuse me, from the uneducated people to the educated people. If you are uneducated and you don't know what you're doing, if you are just trying to figure it out and wing it or follow someone's alerts or something like that, you are bound to lose. Remember, the market is filled with sharks like me and Bao and everyone else out there. And you guys are fighting against us every single day. And for $97, you guys don't want to learn. It blows my mind. It blows my mind. A lot of you are losing $97 a day. A day, you guys are losing $97, yet you are too ignorant, too egotistical to be educated for an entire month at $97. It's like $3 a day, man. For $3 a day. I don't get it. It's just because people are lazy, I guess. And I don't blame you because all the lazy people, I take all your money from your trades, your ignorant trades that you guys are following alerts. So at the end of the day, the uneducated people, your money is going into the pockets of us because we have a process. We know what to do. It just doesn't make sense to me, guys. It almost blows my mind. It kind of pisses me off too that for fucking this $97 rate for $3 a day, you guys don't want to learn. Blows my mind. If you guys don't want to learn for $3 a day, you guys are never going to make it. I'm sorry. That's tough truth. It really pisses me off, actually. When you draw your lines on a trade, how often do you trade those lines? So we have, again, videos on this, but the point that I'm trying to make is this. Sometimes on low-hanging fruit, sometimes your lines aren't going to hit, right? Sometimes your lines aren't going to hit. Now, you could do that one of two ways. Either A, you do not take the trade, right? Either A, you do not take the trade, or B, you can use VWAP as your guide, right? So a lot of people say, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? VWAP is a signal, or VWAP is an indicator that tells you this. If the stock is above VWAP, the longs are in control. If the stock is under VWAP, the shorts are in control. So let's say a stock is broken and you have an outer line and it does not hit that outer line, but the stock is under VWAP and bouncing and failing VWAP. You can use that VWAP indicator as your first entry with small size, and your risk, your exit can be that reclaim of VWAP. So there's many different ways to trade, guys, and we educate you on these many different ways to trade. James posted a live trading video today. James made $300 and posted a live trading video today. He traded live today, made $300, and an hour later posted it for our members to learn. This is real-time education, guys. There's no delays, there's no bullshit, there's no outdated stuff. This is real-time, same day, same education. I trade, I come here, I educate. James does a live trade, he posts it on YouTube, we give it to our members. This is real-time education, guys. You are cutting down your learning curve with MIC. If you want to try to figure out trading yourself, good luck. Try to figure it out yourself. You're going to lose money, you're going to burn money, and you're going to give up. Whereas you could invest in your education, learn from other 6 and 7 figure traders that have been here before, that are consistently here showing you our face. But at the end of the day, it is up to you. I kind of hope that people stay uneducated, because the more uneducated people that stay in the market, the more money us educated traders make. It is no coincidence that 2020 is a massive year for everyone. You know why? Because educated traders are taking by the fucking buckets the truckloads of money from the uneducated traders entering the market. It's no coincidence that our members are consistently profitable in just a few months. Those members have put in the work. You're not going to join MIC and get spoon-fed. You're not going to join MIC and get alerts, emails, text messages. You join, you put in the work, you will be rich. You join, you don't put in the work, you will not get anywhere. It is the same thing with everything, guys. Do not listen to what I have to say. Do not judge MIC by my profits, by Bao's profits, by anyone's profits. Judge it by the profits that our members are making. We are very proud of our retention rate at MIC. When someone joins the club, they do not leave. We retain 95% of our members, right? That is not the same for anyone else. So give it a try, especially during this fucking promotion, guys. Especially during this $97 promotion. Because I'm telling you, if you are too cheap to pay $97, I swear to God, you'll never make it. Ever, 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 you'll never make it. You don't believe me? Try for yourself. Every single Monday, every single Tuesday, every single Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're providing content for you guys. If this is what we're providing free for non-members, Imagine what we're doing for our members. It really frustrates me, guys, sometimes. It really frustrates me. If I had the opportunity to learn from Kobe Bryant how to play basketball, I would pay him his fucking $97 a month so that I don't have to fucking figure it out myself. Some questions coming in. Let me. MIC was the best decision I ever made. MIC for life. I upgrade to lifetime after a week of being a monthly member. I mean, it just goes back to a simple thing. It's $97 for 1 month of education. I know a lot of you guys are losing $97 a day, maybe even more. Maybe even more. This deal is for non-members, people that have not joined, and it is only available to the first 25 people. All right, guys, let's do some Q&A before I fucking close this shit because I'm pissed off. I really just, I don't know, something just triggered in my head. It's just like, I can't believe we're giving this stuff away. We're literally losing money giving this away, yet people are still asking stupid ass questions. Do you have anyone that MIC that's heavily statistics based data? Yes, Joe Kelly. Joe Kelly has multiple videos on data tracking and statistics. How much does college cost? I had to pay $20,000 a year for college. $20,000 a year for college. And you know what I learned? Nada. I didn't learn anything in school. And the thing is, if you want to be a doctor, if you want to be a lawyer, if you want to be an engineer, school is absolutely mandatory. But if you want to be a trader, MIC is the Harvard of education for a tenth of the price. You make the choice, guys. You make the choice. All right, that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. So, again, first 25 people that text Tosh 97 at 213-458-5997 will get access to MIC for $97 on your first month. So please, if you were curious, if you are on the fence, this is your chance to try it. This is your chance. You have direct access to me, direct access to Bao, our team of 20 moderators, daily mentorship phone calls, 12 webinars a month. It blows my mind how much value we provide, guys. So please just try it for 1 month and you will not regret it. I promise you, 1 month and you will not regret it. We teach you guys small cap strategies, large cap strategies, option strategies, everything except Forex. So please, guys, please dump your previous shitty pump and dump chat room and come check out MIC for a month.